So try na po yung gum black inner liner sealer. So nilalagay na po ng mounting paste sa bead para pagka ikinabit yung gulong ay smooth. Then after that, babalance naman po natin dito yan sa ating balancing machine para mawala yung vibration kasi nag-dismount tayo ng gulong. So while dismounting the tire, mawawala po sa balance yung ating tire and rim assembly, which is it will create vibration for the tire for the steering while running on the high speed. So we are now filling the air at the 37 psi. So electronic po yan. Just set the pressure, then it will alarm once it's reached. Final setting. So, okay na po siya. Kailangan lang natin check yung valve, inner valve core, kung may leak. So kung may leak po yan, mag-create siya ng bubbles. So para wala naman, continuous bubbles.